Have you ever wondered how your favorite brands manage to predict exactly what you need, even before you do? Welcome to the revolution of digital marketing. Over the past decade, digital marketing has morphed from a novelty to a necessity, changing the way companies interact with consumers. But this evolution is far from over. The latest game changer? Artificial intelligence, or AI? AI is a term you've likely heard, but let's demystify it. Simply put, AI is a branch of computer science that empowers machines to mimic human intelligence. In the world of marketing, it's a tool that's transforming the game. Imagine a world where marketers can predict your next move, tailor content to your personal interests, and make data-driven decisions with pinpoint accuracy. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to AI, this is our reality. Let's take a step back and look at where it all began. Traditional marketing was a one-size-fits-all approach, painting all consumers with the same broad brush. Then came digital marketing, opening a world of possibilities. With the advent of the internet, marketers could reach consumers directly, track interactions, and collect heaps of data. But there was a problem. The data was abundant, but making sense of it was a Herculean task. That's where AI stepped in. AI, with its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, provided the solution. It enabled marketers to predict consumer behavior with surprising accuracy. Suddenly, they could personalize content like never before, making marketing messages feel less like a shout in the crowd and more like a one-on-one conversation. Moreover, AI has brought about a data-driven approach, which is a far cry from the guesswork that was once the norm. Now, marketers can make informed decisions based on hard data, ensuring their strategies are effective and their resources well utilized. So the next time you see an ad that feels like it's speaking directly to you, or a recommendation that hits the nail on the head, remember, it's no coincidence. This is the magic of AI, transforming the way we perceive and interact with digital marketing. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Then also like and comment below. I do appreciate it. Thanks. Starbucks, a globally recognized brand, has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to enhance customer experience. Now let's dive into how they've managed to stir things up a bit. Starbucks, the coffeehouse titan, has been brewing up personalized marketing strategies with a pinch of AI. It's a prime example of how a brand can leverage consumer data and AI to create a personalized experience for every coffee lover out there. At the heart of Starbucks' AI-driven marketing is its mobile app. This is not just an app where you can order your favorite caramel macchiato. It's much more than that. It's a virtual barista that knows your coffee preferences better than you do. The app uses AI to suggest personalized drink and food items to customers based on their past orders. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The app also takes into account your preferences. If you're a fan of pumpkin spice lattes, it will suggest similar flavors that you might enjoy. It's like having a barista who knows your taste buds intimately. Moreover, the AI doesn't just rely on your past orders and preferences, it's even intelligent enough to consider the weather. On a chilly winter's day, it might suggest a hot mocha to warm you up. Or on a sizzling summer afternoon, it might recommend a refreshing iced latte. Starbucks has indeed brewed a potent mix of AI and customer data to serve its customers better. But what's the outcome, you might ask? Well, the results have been nothing short of impressive. With its AI-driven marketing strategy, Starbucks has managed to increase customer satisfaction. Customers love the personalized experience, and it keeps them coming back for more. The cherry on top, it's also led to a rise in sales. In conclusion, Starbucks' AI-driven marketing strategy has proven to be a game changer. It's a shining example of how AI can be used to enhance customer experience and boost sales. It's not just about selling coffee, it's about creating an experience, a connection with the customer. And that, dear friends, is the power of AI in digital marketing. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, has set the bar high with its AI-powered recommendation system. This titan of online retail has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to take personalized marketing to a whole new level. Amazon's AI system is a master at analyzing massive amounts of customer data, from browsing history to past purchases to items left in the cart. It then uses this information to generate tailored product recommendations that show up on the customer's screen the next time they visit. But how does this all work? Well, imagine a tireless virtual shop assistant who knows your preferences inside out and can predict what you might like, even before you know it yourself. That's essentially what Amazon's AI-powered recommendation system does. It uses complex machine learning algorithms to understand patterns in your behavior and deliver suggestions that are highly likely to pique your interest. The beauty of this system lies in its ability to evolve. The more you interact with Amazon, the better the AI gets at predicting your preferences. It's a self-learning system that continually refines its understanding of what you like and what you don't. And it's not just about making shopping more convenient for customers. From Amazon's perspective, this AI-driven strategy has proven to be a gold mine. By presenting customers with products they are likely to want, Amazon has seen a significant increase in customer engagement and sales. It's a win-win situation. Customers find what they desire more easily, and Amazon boosts its bottom line. Moreover, this level of personalization has helped Amazon build stronger relationships with its customers. By meeting their individual needs and preferences, Amazon has fostered a sense of loyalty among its customer base, which is a key ingredient for long-term success in the competitive world of e-commerce. Amazon's AI-powered recommendations have set a precedent for other businesses looking to enhance their digital marketing strategies. This innovative approach has not only revolutionized the customer experience on Amazon, but it has also redefined the standards for personalization in digital marketing as a whole. So the next time you find yourself browsing on Amazon, remember, there's a sophisticated AI working behind the scenes to make your shopping experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. The future of AI in digital marketing looks promising, with endless possibilities. With the rapid advancements in technology, we're looking at a future where AI is no longer just a buzzword, but rather a fundamental tool that drives digital marketing strategies. Imagine a world where every marketing campaign is hyper-personalized, not just based on basic demographics, but on individual customer behaviors, preferences, and predictions. This is the future that AI is shaping. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help marketers understand their customers on a deeper level, enabling them to create more personalized and effective campaigns. Moreover, predictive marketing is another trend set to shape the future of digital marketing. AI algorithms can analyze past behaviors and patterns to predict future actions. This means marketers will be able to anticipate customer needs before they even arise, offering solutions proactively rather than reactively. And let's not forget about the power of AI in content creation. The future holds the potential for AI to create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with audiences. With the help of natural language processing and machine learning, AI can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts, freeing up marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. Now imagine having real-time insights at your fingertips. AI-driven analytics will provide marketers with a wealth of data in real time, allowing them to make quick, informed decisions. This will accelerate the pace of marketing efforts and improve their efficiency. Furthermore, the role of chatbots and virtual assistants in customer service and engagement is set to increase thanks to AI. These AI-powered tools can interact with customers 24/7, answering queries, providing information, and even upselling products, enhancing customer experience like never before. In conclusion, the future of digital marketing is not just about harnessing the power of AI, but about integrating it seamlessly into every aspect of marketing. The future of digital marketing lies in AI, and businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind. AI has already started reshaping digital marketing, and this is just the beginning. What an exhilarating journey we've been on, exploring the impact of artificial intelligence on the digital marketing landscape. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key insights we've gathered along the way. At the heart of our discussion is the profound revolution in digital marketing, propelled by the advancements in AI. Gone are the days of traditional one-size-fits-all marketing approaches. Today, AI enables marketers to craft personalized experiences for each user, enhancing engagement and boosting conversions. And who better to exemplify this revolution than Starbucks with its AI-driven marketing? Utilizing AI, Starbucks has mastered the art of personalization, offering tailor-made recommendations to its customers. Such targeted marketing not only fosters customer loyalty, but also propels the brand's revenue growth. Then we have the e-commerce titan, Amazon, another pioneer leveraging the power of AI. By harnessing AI-powered recommendations, Amazon has dramatically transformed the online shopping experience. The secret sauce? Predictive analytics. This allows Amazon to anticipate customer needs, leading to increased customer satisfaction and repeat purchases. As we ventured into the future of AI in digital marketing, we discovered that AI's potential is far from exhausted. Predictive analysis, chatbots, voice search, automated content creation – these are just a few of the many ways in which AI is set to revolutionize digital marketing even further. But remember, embracing AI is not just about keeping up with the trends. It's about staying relevant in an increasingly digitized world. It's about understanding your customers better, meeting them where they are, and offering them exactly what they need. It's about driving growth and staying ahead in the game. So businesses, marketers, entrepreneurs heed this call. AI is not just transforming the digital marketing landscape, it's redefining it. In the digital marketing world, AI is not just an advantage, but a necessity. Embrace it and stay ahead in the game. For more information about digital marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you.